start again. It's a rich thing.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our defense demonstration video. Our defense topic is security system using face recognition for DIU Health, and our supervisor is Dr. SM Aminul Haq, and myself MD Alamin ID 181151951, and my team member are MD Ashik Mahmood ID 181151728 and Middle Barrel ID 181151845. And our project category is mainly application based project, and we will today describe our app to secure the security system for our DIU Hall. Here you can see on my mobile screen there are two apps. One is Hall Security and another one is Hall Security Admin. This Hall Security app is mainly for our security guards so that they can use this app and can secure our hall. So let's see how to use it. At first, let's click on this app. Let's see what happened. When we click app, we will see a splash screen. Then we'll get a user login interface. That is, we need a mobile number and password for login into this app. So how a guard can get this user info? This info is provided by the administration, which can be created into our admin app. So we already create an account. Using that account we will log in into our app. So I am now login into our app. Click on login, and we will automatically log in if we give the proper information. If we give the proper information, we will get this home screen. Here we can see here are three options. One is for picture for test, another one is for report, and another one is live test, that is using our live camera. So if we click on picture test, it will need access for photo and video. In this option we will access our gallery and can recognize that picture. So I will click on this gallery option, and from album we will see there are many pictures, and we will click on this picture and it will automatically recognize that it is Mr. Ashik. And if we click on the down button, that is details about this information, I can click on another image and can also check another images too. Let's see, check for this image, and we can see this image information. This is Shadin and room number is A305. And if we click on details, we will see the details information from the database that is automatically updated. His phone number, ID, Gmail and email address. That's it from this button. And here we have also another option, that is Obhijog for report, and we can report from here. We will give a name like and here is our details. Just we keep this, and if we want to add any picture we can also do that by click on this, and we can choose from gallery or camera. I am choosing now from gallery, and just I choose an image from here, and like I click on Obhijog Jomadin, then it will update it into our database live. You can see on my background that it will update it automatically live. Here you can see that this is our database that we right now updated. Okay, and here also is our live test for beta version. If we open this, it will open our camera, and if we want to check any image, like I am checking this image, it will automatically recognize the face by using our face recognition technology that we use on the background. You can see this, and here also it can detect Ashik. And also if we want to the lower button, we can see the details information about this user Okay, that's it. And here is our another app, that is Hall Security for Admin. If we click on this app, it also come with an user login interface. This will provide by the main admin from our app. Like I am using an demo email and password that we already created. Like I click on sign in, it will, if I give the information properly, it will sign in to our app. From here we can add our guard. You can see we can add our guard information, like we can create one guard information, phone number and password, and we can give any guard to this for login into their app. Also we can update guard information. Right now we have only one guard that we are seeing in this option, and we can also add face data that come from the database, and also we can view report that user already did. Like we can see that the first information we right now we already update, and we can directly call from here to our guard so that we can get update about this report. If we click on allow permission, it will go directly to the phone call. Okay, and if we want, we can also delete the report if everything is solved. If we delete the report, it will come with a nice animation that there is no report, and it will searching for it. That's how our app is used. Thank you for watching our video. And you can see that we already used a Firebase database in our background. We already added that. So thank you and goodbye.